Hey there! Tired of feeling drained, foggy, or like your energy's stuck in low gear? Unlock your energy potential. You're not alone, but today, that changes. I'm here to tell you about Mitolyn, a breakthrough solution that's revolutionizing how we reclaim our vitality. Mitochondria, those tiny power plants inside every cell, are the unsung heroes of your energy. But stress, poor diet, and aging can drain their efficiency, leaving you exhausted. That's where Mitolyn steps in. This isn't just another supplement. Mitolyn is a science-backed formula engineered to supercharge your mitochondria. Imagine waking up refreshed, focusing effortlessly, and powering through your day without crashes. That's the Mitolyn difference. Don't let fatigue hold you back. Reclaim your energy, reclaim your life. With Mitolyn, the power is yours. You've heard how Mitolyn targets the root cause of fatigue, those struggling mitochondria, and delivers real, life-changing results. Sustained energy, laser-sharp focus, and freedom from afternoon crashes. But here's the thing. Thousands of people aren't just talking about this, they're living it. And with our ironclad 90-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose, except exhaustion. This isn't a fad. It's a science-backed solution trusted by men and women who refuse to settle for just getting by. So why wait? Your energy, your clarity, your best self, they're all within reach. Ready to rewrite your energy story? Head to the official website now. Click the link in the description. Your future self will thank you. Act now, your mitochondria and your future self will thank you.